Okay, this is lesson 7 for 2nd grade, and the first question asks, which of the following numbers are even? So 21, 24, 27, 28, 33, 34, 38, 39. So first, the definition of an even number is that it can be divided into two equal parts. So any number that ends with 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0 are even numbers, and for odd it is 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So when we're finding numbers that are even, we have to find numbers that end with these digits. So we have 4 here, 8 here, 4 here, 8 here, so it would be B. Reason why it's not A is because this one ends with a 1 and that's odd. Here 9 is an odd number, and here 27 is an odd number. Number 2, count the blocks below. Complete the equation to show the sum of the two equal numbers. Is it even or odd? So as I said, a number that can be divided into two equal numbers are even. So because this is 10 and this is also 10, that means it's an even number, so it can't be C or D. And we just do addition, 10 plus 10, that's 20. So our answer is A. Number 3, find an even number that comes before 32 and after 29. So first we can list all the numbers that come after 29 and before 32, and that's just, so 29, 30, 31, 32. So we only want after 29 and before 32, so it's just 30 and 31. And because any number that ends with a 0 is an even number, it would be 30. Second page, number 1, identify the number of gloves counting by twos. Is it an odd or an even number? So because this can be split into two equal groups, it would be even, so it can't be B or D. And now we count in two, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So this is C. Number 2, find and shade all even numbers. So, like I said, even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, and 0. So here, and also when checking for even and odd, it only has to be the last number. So let's see, for this one, 6 is even, but even though 7 isn't an even number, this is still, and the entire number is still even. So number 1, this ends with a 1, so it's not even. This one is even because it ends with a 4. This one ends with a 5, so it's odd. This one ends with a 6, so it's even. This one ends with a 2, so it's even. Also 2, so it's also even. 7 is not even. 4 is even. 5 is not even, 6 is even, and 4 is even. So now we have to look at the option that has all of these numbers. So this one has 144, 176, 222, 232, 294, 336, 364. So it has to be A. Okay, next one. Which even number comes next? 12, 14, 16. So when you're counting by even numbers, you count by 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So the answer is D. Page 3. Complete the equation to show the sum of the two equal numbers. So they're just asking for how many are in this set and how many are in this set. So just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this would be D, 8 and 8. Now it says find and shade all the odd numbers, so it's the opposite this time. So 38, 8 is even, 4 is even, 2 is even, 3 is odd, 23, 3 is also odd again, 2 is not odd, 7 is odd, 4 is even, 5 is odd, 3 is also odd, 9 is odd, and 6 is not odd. So now we have to look at the options. So 83, 23, 57, 25, 33, 49. So it would be A. Next, count the objects below. Is the total number of airplanes even or odd? So just by looking at this, we can tell it's even because it's split into 2 equal groups and there's no extra airplane on the side here, so it has to be even. And now we just count. So we can count by 2s if we wanted to as well. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So this is D. Last page, find an odd number that is greater than 13 and less than 16. So we can write out all the numbers. So 13, 14, 15, 16. They're asking for only greater than 13 and less than 16. So we're finding the odd number, and odd is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So because this one ends with a 5, it is C, 15. Okay, next one, count the soccer balls below. Complete the equation to show the sum of the 2 equal numbers. Is that number even or odd? So let's see. So if these 2 groups are equal, that means this is an even number. If it's not, then they're odd. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there's 11 here. This one, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 again. So it would be C. The last one says find and shade all the even numbers. So again, it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. So let's see, 5, no, 6, yes, 7, no, 8, yes, 6, yes, 7, no, 8, yes. And that would give us option D, 16, 18, 26, and 28.